I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Good morning. Got my work meeting today. I'll show you everything I brought, and then we'll compare it at the end of the day. Or while we walk. You know I usually take some walks. Got my coffee, of course. And I actually bring an extra coffee for later. This is instant coffee. I have some cream in there, the powdered creamer in there. So that way I just have to dump it in and add water. Where we're going, you know, it's a civic center. So they do have a microwave though. And I'm bringing this water for later, just kind of as a special treat if I want it. And I have 2 meat sticks. 2 cheese sticks. I bought these at Aldi's the other day to take on my trip. So a couple the cheese sticks. Then this is the other part of my burger from last night. And of course, this is my new gelatin that I made with only 1 tablespoon of gelatin. So that means it's not that thick. I love it when it's just that hard brick. But I just need to know if that is what's causing my tummy troubles. If it's not, then believe me, I'll put the 2 tablespoons back in it. Oh, you can bet your bippy on that one. But I have to know, you know, because I did read that too much gelatin can cause tummy troubles. So anyway, and I have a couple spoons, and I brought in case I'm on my phone too much, I bought this on Amazon. It's just a phone charger thing. And then thanks to Lori FNM Lifestyle, I won't need this, but I just have it in the Bell baggie. That's my watch charger in case my watch dies, which, like I said, I won't be using my watch any more than usual today, but I'd have it. I will definitely want to do that Friday at work before I leave, because I'm going to need my watch late Friday night. And I don't have to put on my badge because we're not going to our building. Yay! So, all right, folks, I'm off to my work meeting. And like I said, I'll show you what I can. Like I said, I can't record the meeting stuff, which is fine. And I'll probably just point down as I eat stuff. So, all right, I love you. I hope you're having a good Thursday. Bye. Since nobody's in here, I can show you. This is where we come. It's the Jackson Civic Center. And nobody's in here. And right through that door, right there's a microwave and an ice maker and water maker. I love when we use this building because I know this building. All right, you know, I know where things are. And that over there is going to be the food table. And right there is the door. So I like to sit in the back by a door because, you know, I go to the bathroom every 5 minutes. So I've got my burger, and I took some cheese and sour cream, a little bit of salsa. There's also underneath, some queso cheese and just a few maybe a tablespoon of pulled pork. And that is my lunch. I've already had 2 meat sticks and 1 cheese stick. And it is 12:15. Okay, we're done eating, so now I'm going to take myself a little walk. There'll probably be other people out here walking, but remember, my church is on the other side of that street over there. But anyway, how you doing? I'm proud of myself. They said, there's more stuff left if you want another plate. Well, I walked by it to refill my water and my coffee, and what they had available was chips, potatoes, a little bit of pulled pork, and cheese and sour cream and salsa. And what else did they have? Like barbecue sauce and stuff with pulled pork, and definitely more cookies. So it was, so I didn't even show you all. So that's what it was. We had a nacho bar, and we had and pulled pork, and a potato, like a loaded potato bar. So a bunch of carbs for people to sit around and then be tired in about 3 hours. Everybody's going to be exhausted. My mom actually comes here to do her little workout thing. So I'll be curious if I run into her or not. I think she usually leaves her house around 12:30 or 1:30. I don't remember. But anyway, so we might see her pull up while we're walking. We will have to see. So what do I know? Yeah, so they had the potato bar and the nacho bar. It was like tortilla chips. And then there was pulled pork, some other kind of meat. I don't remember what it was. Well, I didn't see what it was. Maybe like some kind of chicken probably. And then, like I said, salsa, sour cream, butter for the potatoes. Yeah, and like I said, there were some cookies. There were like half cookies and half brownies. So, and then they had like tea and lemonade and all that stuff. So, all right, I love y'all, and I'll catch up with you later. I'm gonna walk some more. Also, my social meter is a little bit extra high right now, so this is gonna help me out. Usually we get like a 10-15 minute break earlier, but we didn't get that this time. So my social meter is like on overdrive right now. Okay, I did good. I'm proud of myself. I never didn't have any cookies, didn't have any chips, didn't have any potatoes. I just had the sour cream and the queso and some salsa. And I am good with the sour cream, queso, and salsa. Oh, and shredded cheese. But yeah, so on top of and a little bit of pulled pork. So I had 0 cookies. I had 0 chippies. And I ate both my meat sticks, both my cheese sticks. Only thing I didn't eat, I'm like a toddler, you know. Only thing I didn't eat is all my Jell-O. Told y'all I lowered the amount of gelatin in there, so it's all runny. I don't like it like that, but I don't want the poopies anymore. So far so good. I did have some cramps, like I was gonna have them, but none yet. So hey, that's a good sign. And if that's what the problem was, then I'll know what the problem was. All right, well, I love you weirdos, and I'll see you at home. Bye. Hi, I'm home, just where I need to be. It feels nice to be back home. We had it was a supervisor meeting, and we had a speaker come, and her name's Sky Mercer. She's really neat. This is like her 3rd time, I think, 2nd or 3rd time, and she's really good. She talks to us about management and how to navigate through management issues. So that's pretty cool. So I had to run by Walmart, and this is a top sirloin. I wonder if I think I asked my Sam's before if they had one, but they didn't. I think that'd be great because, you know, it's leaner. Anyway, top sirloin. I went to Walmart. I needed some little travel containers like coffee syrup, hair products. I actually mixed a couple hair products, like 3 of them. So I was going to put them in one, and then have that. So I picked up 2 little travel packs of little 1 ounce bottles, 2 ounce bottles, whatever they are. And then I got 2 of those. And then I went to the meat section. It's $3.30. I'm like, I wonder if there's any yellow stickers. There was. 1 pound of top sirloin. And it was 12 something. More than what I needed to spend, but I just wanted it, you know. Sometimes you just like, I want it. It might be more than what I need, but I want it. So it was 1 pound, so that's perfect. I got like about 1/3 of it now, and then 2/3 tomorrow. So I'll have that tomorrow. Yeah, top sirloin. Do I have any news for you? There now, wait a minute. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get to my home screen. There we go. Yeah, no big news today. Oh, I got to see my mama. You know, the first time I was talking to y'all when I was walking around, And the second time, on break, I called my mama, like, where are you? Because I know she does her Tai Chi there with her friends. And she's like, oh, well, I'm in here. Where are you? I'm like, I'm coming for you. So I got to see my mama. It's kind of nice to see your mama throughout the day. I definitely, hang on, butterscotch and chocolate malt. You could put butterscotch with anything. You could put butterscotch on a pile of poop and I bet it'd taste amazing. But anyway, I do recognize that I am very fortunate at my age to still have my mama. I do understand that I'm very fortunate. I'm very lucky on that. She's my little bestie. So yeah, so that's what I got for supper. That's all I know. You're just getting a little short one today. Nothing too profound, nothing too exciting, although I'm so proud of myself. Only things the worst thing that I added to my meat was salsa. I say worst thing. Sour cream, carnivore. Cheese, carnivore. Queso, carnivore, depending on what they mix with it. But the only thing, like, only little deviation was my, was the salsa. And if that's the worst thing I ate today, go Terri, go Terri, go Terri. It's your birthday. Well, it's not, but it's your birthday. So anyway, yeah. All right. I love you people, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.